Andre asks, Michael mentioned flushing of the geyser. How is this done?
Flushing of the geyser is quite a simple process. Typically the geyser is drained, or if it's in a duct where it's a wet area, one removes turns the geyser off electrically, turns the water off to the geyser, and opens the flange plate and drains the water out of the geyser. And as that water is draining out, it washes out all the bits and pieces. And then afterwards, once the geyser is open, you could open the water and clean the tank out. It picks up a lot of sediment. It picks up debris in the form of a baffle box that might be breaking up and floating to the top and being sucked out. So there's a few reasons you might want to flush a geyser, but debris in the form of a baffle box that might be breaking up and float. Effectively, you would open a fitting and drain the geyser, and once it's drained, just clean it out by way of putting your hand in and scooping whatever is in there out.